Hey guys.
Your brother Miller, I like sports and fucking bitches.
Well, I recently bought this VR headset and my reaction was something like... In simple words, Meta is selling Dream Not VR headset. They are literally doing fake marketing throughout social media, so don't fall for any traps. Please watch this video and make your decision carefully. Otherwise,
or your money is gone and you're never getting it back, and you can write us a bad review, but we'll play dumb to it because it's hell and no one fucking cares.
So let's talk in detail about whether we should buy the Meta Quest 3 or not. The Meta Quest 3 is a standalone VR headset, which means it doesn't need any PC or console to run. It has a Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chipset, which is 2.5x more powerful than the Quest 2. The graphics of VR games are slightly better than the Quest 2. The lighting effects are not very realistic, but decent. You can play all the games of Quest 2 on it. Plus, it has a pancake lens and it is 40% slimmer, and its design is also better than Quest 2. You can pause the video and see the features and details. Meta claims that the battery life of the Quest 3 is approximately 3 hours. But unfortunately it only lasts for about 1 hour to 1.5 hours when playing VR games. However, it can last longer if you use it for multimedia activities like watching movies. The controllers have AA batteries which are not rechargeable by default, but you can replace them with rechargeable ones. However, the hand tracking feature is pretty good, as it allows to interact with the virtual world using only hand movements, without any controller. The most amazing features in Quest 3 is mixed reality, and Meta is also marketing this VR headset as a mixed reality headset rather than VR, but its mixed reality pass-through mode is very blurry and low quality. To be honest, if you're truly planning to buy Meta Quest 3 to experience mixed reality, you might be disappointed. Although it is a very futuristic and cool feature, but it is not perfect yet. The pass-through quality gets worse in low light, and the VR objects do not blend well with the real world. Those videos that Meta showed you about mixed reality are nothing but illusions. You won't get anything like that with this headset. In my opinion, don't consider this VR headset for mixed reality. Well, the processing power and performance of this VR headset are good and better than Quest 2. But the graphics are not as good as Meta advertised. However, the graphics are still better than Quest 2. So, if you are interested in VR, and you can afford it easily, then you should buy it. But don't buy it if it will cost you all your savings. Also, don't buy it at a higher price if it is not officially released in your country because it is not worth it. If you have never used a VR headset before, and you have only watched VR videos on the internet, you should know that they are very different from what you see in VR with your own eyes. So, after all, if you are interested in VR, and you don't have any VR headset, and want to experience something futuristic without any big expectations, then you should consider this VR headset. One thing I'd like to mention is that motion sickness can be a serious issue for you if you are new to VR and have a tendency to feel nauseous. It is a real huge problem that people don't often talk about. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.